Hey dear friends, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to appear offline in Telegram even when you are online. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. So at first, open your Telegram app and go to this menu bar, go to your settings and come to privacy and security option. Click on this option and here you can see there is an option in privacy section that says last seen and online. Click on it and here you can see there is an option who can see my last seen time. It's actually by default it happens to be on my contacts or everybody option. What you have to do is just simply click on the nobody option. So you can add exceptions here. You can add users who can actually see if you are online when you are online. But if you don't want to add anyone, then simply click on the right button and voila. So this is how you can, you know, appear offline in Telegram. So that's it for today, guys. If you like this video, please like, comment, and share on this video. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get more exciting videos like this. Thanks so much for watching and bye bye.